Located in the gorgeous island town of Jamestown, this stylish renovated ranch sits on 4 acres of lush grounds and offers a flexible floor plan ideal for casual living. A long driveway bordered by manicured gardens leads up to the front door. Step inside as brand new hardwood floors gleam with the light coming in from the wide window and fill every room, including the adjoining den and home office. A white pine cathedral ceiling with exposed beams rises over both the living room and dining room. Both areas are great for relaxing with family and friends. An oversized room at the end of the hall provides enough space to adapt to any living situation. The eat-in kitchen features custom wood cabinetry and updated tile floor, and along with the dining room, walks out to the rear deck. The large Trex deck with sunsetter awning wraps around the back of the home and enjoys views of the expansive private backyard with handsome stone walls. A small outbuilding provides space for a workshop, while the rear horse barn allows you to raise a range of livestock. The spacious walkout lower level features a new tile bath and a private entrance, allowing you to create an in-law, guest suite, or recreational space. Jamestown is a beautiful community surrounded by the splendor of Narragansett Bay. Walk the trails and enjoy the beautiful landscape at the Beavertail State Park and Lighthouse. Play a few rounds of golf at the Jamestown Golf Course. Visit the shops and dining along Main Street before crossing the street to take the ferry ride to Newport or Block Island. Many renowned beaches are within your reach and offer breathtaking views of Narragansett Bay. This lovely home is only 30 minutes from the culture and sights of downtown Providence. For more information, please visit the property website or call Kira Green at area code 401-339-5621.